Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Kapil Chauhan and you are watching Technical Academy. This is our lecture number 30 in electronic devices and circuits. In this lecture we will be studying about the advantages of using tunnel diode, disadvantages of using tunnel diode, and we will study about the various application of the tunnel diode in our daily life. So we will start with the advantage of the tunnel diode. So there are some advantages of using the tunnel diodes and these advantages are mentioned below. So the first advantage is that it has high switching time. So the speed is very high. That's why it will require very less time to response. It means that it requires very less response time and it can handle high frequency signals or high frequencies. So for high frequency signals we can use the tunnel diode. And the next advantage is that the tunnel diode produces very less noise. So it is also one of the advantage because we require less noise only. So the tunnel diode is very easy to operate. It can be easily operated and handled. And the tunnel diode is very low power consumption device. It means it will consume very less power. So even we apply very less voltage, then also it can be operated. And it is insensitive to the nuclear radiations. So for application of the where nuclear radiation is there, we can use the tunnel diode to prevent from the nuclear radiation. It means that we can use the tunnel diode at the place where there is effect of the nuclear radiation because it will not be affected by the nuclear radiation. So the next advantage is that it exhibits negative resistance characteristic as shown in the figure. We have studied about the negative resistance in the previous lecture, so you can watch this thing in the previous lecture. And due to the negative resistance characteristic of the tunnel diode, it is very useful for reflection of the amplifiers and the oscillator circuit. So due to the negative resistance characteristic, it can be applied in the amplifiers as well as in the oscillator circuits. The next advantage is that the large current flows at the very small value of the reverse voltage due to the considerable overlapping between the conduction band and the valence band, and this is useful property as the frequency converter. So in the below figure you can see that the valence band and the conduction band are overlapping. Due to this, at a very small value of the reverse current, at a very small reverse voltage, current will flow through it. Now we will see some disadvantages of using the tunnel diodes. So the first disadvantage of the tunnel diode is that the level of the output power is very less, that is in few milliwatts. So this is one of the disadvantage because we will only obtain the very less power. If we want to get high power, then we cannot get through the tunnel diodes. So we must use the another type of diodes for the high output power. And the next disadvantage is that the tunnel diodes are a bit costly. So these tunnel diodes are costly. So we can say that it is also a disadvantage. The next one is that the voltage range which can be operated properly in 1 volt or the below. So it can be only operated properly at the 1 volt or the below 1 volt. So this is also one of the disadvantage of the tunnel diode. And now we will focus on the application part of the tunnel diode. So there are a lot of application of the tunnel diodes in our daily life, in our electronics. So the first application is that it is used in the relaxation oscillator circuits. So tunnel diode is used in oscillator circuits or we can say that tunnel diodes are used for generating the high frequency sine waves. and it is used in the microwave oscillators. It is also used in as ultra high speed switching device because it is very its response time is very less and it is very high. It is its switching time is very high, so for the purpose of the high speed ultra high speed switching device it can be used. And the next advantage is that it is used as a logic memory storage device in the digital electronics. We can say that it has also application of logic memory storage device. So friends, these are the some application of the tunnel diode. In the next lecture we will see the oscillator circuit of the tunnel diode, and we will see what are the working principle of the tunnel diode oscillator. So friends, if you like this video, then you can subscribe to my channel Technical Academy. Okay, thanks for watching.